Alright, so today we're making some homemade garlic bread with semi-homemade. Here are all our ingredients. As you can see, we have an olive oil. You're gonna have a stick of softened butter. I kind of microwave mine because I wasn't ready. I put in like a smidge of garlic salt. You're gonna put in some minced garlic. You're gonna put in some parsley, and you're gonna put in some garlic powder as well. And I think I added this on the next clip though. But you're gonna also want to use maybe like some oregano or some type of Italian seasoning. Um, that always gives it more of an authentic taste to me. Makes it really, really good. But anyway, add everything together. We want to give it a good mix. If you do melt your butter in the microwave, do not melt it down all the way. Kind of melt it like 50% or maybe 70%, and then just let it sit and stir it up, because as we add everything together and we stir it up, it'll start to thicken and kind of be like a buttery paste, kind of something like that. But anywho, go ahead, whip it up, give it a mix. All right, so after mixing it up really well, you're gonna take your bread, you're gonna split it down the middle, and then I cut mine in half. So you have four large pieces. Um, this might be a lot of bread for you. If it is, you only need to cut that Cuban bread in half and then split it down the middle. You don't have to do the entire loaf if you don't want to. But here I'm just going ahead and taking that herb butter garlic spread, and I'm putting it all over the top of the bread. And you want to make sure you really get down and all in the nooks and the crannies. And it might seem like it's not enough, but it is. Just continue to work with it. I don't have a brush. Well, I didn't use a brush. Let me take that back. I didn't use a brush to brush this on. I used a spoon. But if you have a brush, you can use a brush that can help you to spread it more evenly and quicker. But I like to look at the garlic that I'm adding to make sure those pieces of that minced garlic is evenly distributed, and I'm really getting into all the nooks and crannies. But as you can see, I'm just taking my time, working it in, spreading it out to make sure I got a good even layer on each slice. Okay, so now you're gonna bake this for 10 minutes. All right, you're gonna take it back out and then broil it for 1 to 2 minutes. And then you are all done. This will be your finished product. And you know what? You can add cheese on top of this if you would like some mozzarella and parmesan. Until next time, follow us at Sierra's Cookery, and we'll see you later.